Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well. For today's video, we are trying new makeup. I got two new eyeshadow palettes that I received today in the mail. I ordered them online not knowing what to expect, and this is what we came up with. So if you're interested to see what we think of the eyeshadow palettes and how we achieve this look, keep watching. So I received my package and this very nice, what is this, bubble wrap package thing. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is the contents in there. So it came in very wrapped up inside, and let me just, right off the bat, I like how secure the palettes are when being shipped out to customers. So I got two palettes from them. This is the first one. Look how pretty and shiny it is. Packaging is so cute. This is what the back side looks like with all the vibrant shades going on. And this is the second palette that I also ordered. The packaging is so cute, so vibrant. It's going with the theme. And this is the back side with all the shades. Let me go ahead and open it up. It is taped on both sides. So let me remove the tape and see what they look like. So this one just slides right off, and the inside looks the same as the cover. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh my god. Okay, so it does come with the plastic on top. Okay, let me open her up. And it is perfect. Nothing is broken on the inside. So this is what she looks like. Let me remove the plastic. And this is what she looks like on the inside. It has very vibrant, bold shades. It's supposed to actually be shown like this. So let me see if I can show you what it's supposed to look like. So it's giving those movie posters that you see in theaters with the names of the cast, director, produced by, head of digital film, project coordinator. And let me see if I can get a close-up. What's so cute is that you can see the little details on some of the colors, but it's very nice and vibrant. But look how cute. It's like a little building, a little bridge. That one has their logo on it. And that one as well. It's so pretty. I'm afraid to swatch it, but we're going to still use it and then see how it works, as well as fallout and all that fun stuff. But let's go on the other palette and let's see what it looks like. The second one I also grabbed looks like this. It also has the tape on both sides. So let me remove them and open her up. The same thing applies just like the other palette. It has the matching cover. So they look like this. And let's open her up. Right off the bat, it has the plastic. Look how cute. It has a mirror, as you can see. The other one doesn't, but this one does. And it's very vibrant and so pretty. It says on the mirror, makeup with an attitude. It also has the little details on some of the shadows. This one has also the shimmers, the sparkles, and some that have the logo on it. Both of them are so pretty and vibrant, and it's exactly what I was looking for when shopping. I didn't expect anything because I wasn't sure. This was my first time purchasing from Root Cosmetics, so I'm going to try them out and see if I like the shadows or not, if they're pigmented as they advertise or not. So I am looking forward to it because it was time for me to upgrade my makeup since I have not bought an eyeshadow palette in a while, and it was mainly because I have not been able to find very vibrant and bright eyeshadows. I don't know, I want to try something different. So I was like, okay, let me go online, let me Google it up and this brand popped up and caught my eye, so I figured why not try something new, and hopefully I like it. Hit or miss, because shopping online, you just never know what you're gonna get, you know, so it's just taking a risk. Okay, let me tell you how much I spent. So the Roaring 20s eyeshadow palette was $20.25, and the City of Neon Lights was $21 exact. So subtotal and shipping and taxes came out to $44.81. I did not spend on shipping just because it was free for me, since I spent more than $35 on their website, which is what they show, that if you spend more than $35, shipping is free. So for the price, I can't complain. It's actually really good. Now, in terms of if the shadows are good, we're going to find out and then see if it really is worth it overall. But I am excited and we're going to try them out. The hard part is, which palette do we want to try first, because both are so pretty. Okay, so I decided to go with this one for now, for starters. So let's go ahead and apply some primer first and prime the eyes, and then let's see what we can come up with. I just realized I started priming my eyes without even telling you guys what I'm using. So I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer. Going in with a nice fluffy eyeshadow brush like this. I'm going to start with this color called RSVP on the palette. First impression, they are blending very well. So pigmented, and as you can see, it blends quite nicely. So you can just work your way to make it darker as you please. Okay, now that the other eye is nicely blended, another detail I want to mention is that there is no fallout, like crazy fallout on this area or even on the palette as I grab the pigment and apply it to my eye. There is no crazy fallout, which is really nice. So it won't be a messy makeup experience as you're applying the shadows on your face. I'm liking it so far. Going in with a flatter brush, I'm going to apply the color that is next to the color I used. So this one right here, and this one's called Sequins. There's a little shimmer going on there. Hopefully you can see on camera, because in person, there's shimmer. But so pretty. Using another brush, eyeshadow brush like this, I'm going to darken it up a little bit. They have a very nice, there's like a very nice orange. Whoa, can you see that? There's a very nice orange here. I'm going to use this. It has some sparkle on it, and I'm just going to apply this shade. I'm going to apply it on my outer corner. Go ahead and blend both colors out and then just drag it more up. If you find yourself having very harsh lines over here, like what I've noticed with when I put the other shadow, I just apply the very light one and then just kind of apply more product and drag it toward the darker color, so then they blend well, you know? So then they look like this. We got orange and yellow going on today. I'm going to apply some eyeliner using the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. For mascara, I am using the Benefit Fan Fest. I went ahead and finished up the face and brows. I just wanted to mainly focus on the eyes since we're trying out a new eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes with the lower lash line, adding some product. Go ahead with a nice pointy brush like this. Using that color I used on my outer corner of my eye, I'm going to apply. I decided for my inner corner to just stick with that nice bright shimmer shade I got going on. So I'm going to apply sequins as well on that area right here. And then finishing up with some mascara. So I finished up, applied some lipstick, and I'm all set. This is the final look that we came up with using the palette. Nice, bright and orange with a hint of yellow. So pretty. I am overall excited to see what other eye looks I can come up with using both palettes. The colors are just great. Look at that. Fallout is nothing crazy, nothing like that I would just be like, oh my god. And the pigment is there. Like, it's really good. It's blendable. I would assume the same for this palette. And the colors, they're giving. I mean, it's bright. It's exactly what I was looking for. And again, I'm excited and totally recommend this brand so far based on these two palettes. I have yet to explore what other products they have, but by far I am very excited and happy with what I got. Is it worth the price? I can actually say I think so. It is really giving, and the shadows, I can't complain. I mean, so cute, so fun, and can't wait to try on more colors and see what else we can come up with. So overall, I'm happy, excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial slash review, first impressions on the eyeshadow palettes. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!